food truck here. I'm in Birgi, Odemis. We're trying a raw cutlass, which is ricotta cheese sweet. It's got biscuits in it. It's got ricotta cheese, of course, banana and sour sauce there, and strawberries. So I'll have a first try. As you can see, you can feel the cheese in it, the ricotta cheese. It's slightly sweet, so I'll grab another bit with a banana, put some sour cream sauce. Oh yeah. Total different taste. It's got the sour taste, it's got the sweet taste, and then the banana kicking after that. Magnificent combination, these three. It's a must try. If you do come to Birgi, you must try raw cutlass, which is ricotta cheese sweet. I'll try the strawberry. Even strawberry, banana, and all the combination, it's magnificent. Very light sweet. If you do come here again, like I said, must try the raw cutlass, spelled L-O-R. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.